Welcome to the 4 secrets that all successful spiritual money makers know. Now, if you've been struggling with the idea that you want to make lots of money, but you also want to be spiritual and want for nothing material, causing this kind of inner conflict, or you're unclear as to how to make money in a spiritual way, then I have a very important set of principles and secrets to share with you today. You are going to learn the 4 secrets that all successful spiritual money makers know, allowing you to overcome that conflict between choosing between the two, to have both money and spiritual fulfillment. My name is Aaron Timms, and I am the creator and founder of Conscious Success, a training and coaching academy teaching enlightened leaders, spiritual seekers, entrepreneurs and business owners how to heal and become spiritually and financially successful. To become what I call spiritual millionaires. A spiritual millionaire is someone who becomes a millionaire by fulfilling a spiritual mission. Now, recently I was asked, can you be spiritual and rich? And I know many people that don't think spirituality and money mix well. And some even hold this limiting belief that money is evil. But I'm here to tell you that I truly believe that we can be spiritual and rich. The two are not mutually exclusive. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Now, think about it like this for a minute. Money is a tool to exchange value with other people. True or true? So money is a tool to exchange value with other people. So is money a tool, just like a hammer? Yes. You can use a hammer to build this magnificent building, or you can use a hammer to destroy it. True or true? Meaning that you can use money to build wells to provide clean water to families in need, or you can use money to buy power and manipulate people. True or true? Meaning it's not the money that's good or evil. It's the person controlling the money. Yes or yes? Yes. So let me ask you a question. Are you a good person? Hopefully you said yes. I'm sure you did. So if you got rich all of a sudden, would you become a bad person? No, of course you wouldn't, right? So if you are spiritual and you earn a lot of money, can you make a bigger difference in the world? Do a greater good for humanity? Yes, of course you can. Is the money better off in the hands of the spiritual leaders or the power-hungry egos that will use it for more power and control? I think you know the answer to that, right? Exactly. We need rich spiritual leaders like you, earning money as a spiritual practice, especially when you earn it through your passion, through contributing to others. True or true? Now, most people don't realize that they have to be able to receive to give, and money is no different. Here's an example. If you give away all of your time and your energy because you're spiritual, and that's what spiritual people do, instead of exchanging value through money, you're going to be broke, right? Now, if you're broke, can you donate to charities or fund projects to children in need? Or in other words, contribute to others, which is the essence of being spiritual? No, you can't do that. So when we're in touch with this limitless abundance that the universe has to offer, manifesting wealth and prosperity comes naturally, and it allows us to have a greater level of freedom to do what we are passionate about. You see, when you have more money, you have more opportunities to increase prosperity, not just for yourself or your immediate family, but also for everybody in your community. Perhaps even in the entire world, which of course is very spiritual. Now, if you're ready to discover how you can harmoniously create wealth and spirituality, turning your passion into profits, follow these 4 secrets that all successful spiritual money makers know, so that you can fast track your way to spiritual and financial success. Now, the spiritual money maker secret number 1 Spiritual money makers fully know that they can create whatever they desire when they have the mindset of a spiritual millionaire. They don't just know it, they know it. They don't just believe it, they know it. So what is the mindset of a spiritual millionaire? Simple. The mindset of a spiritual millionaire is to solve problems that add value to people's lives in exchange for money. Value by definition is the increase in satisfaction or the decrease in pain. So spiritual money makers focus on adding value, or in other words, increasing satisfaction or decreasing pain. And they don't focus on the money. Are you with me? Does this make sense? So here's how. Find one thing that you can add value to someone's life in such a big way that they want to pay you. Or in other words, they want to exchange value with you. Make a list today and start there. Now, spiritual moneymaker secret number 2. Being comfortable is not the same thing as being fulfilled and making a lot of money. Okay? Spiritual money makers are always willing to act in spite of fear, because true spiritual leaders know that they are bigger than their mind, they are bigger than their body, and they are bigger than their identity. So you must, highlight the word must, you must act in spite of fear. So here's a tip on how to. When you feel fear, mostly in the form of the little voice or stress in the body, ask yourself this one simple question. From where can a spiritual being create fear? From where can a spiritual being create fear? Ask it out loud and answer it out loud to yourself again and again and again until the fear runs out of charge. Because you as the spiritual being will become bigger than the fear and regain the ability to serve and create. Good or good? The spiritual moneymaker secret number 3. If you want to be spiritually fulfilled and make a lot of money, only listen to wealthy spiritual leaders, okay? All successful people only listen to successful people. We all have family and friends that have our best interests at heart, and they want to protect us, but the reality is they are superimposing their fear onto us. True or true? Sometimes the truth hurts, I get it, but it will set you free. Spiritual money makers love their friends and their family deeply, but they don't listen to them. Unless they're successful, of course. Are you with me? So, find one spiritual millionaire, a person who has become a millionaire by fulfilling a spiritual mission, and follow them. What do they do? What are their secrets? What are their tricks? That's my biggest secret, and the key to my success is simple. I learn from the best. Spiritual moneymaker secret number 4. Be thankful. Spiritual moneymakers maintain the attitude of gratitude. Believe it or not, this is simple change in outlook will actually create more abundance in your life, because the process of gratitude, the state of being of gratitude, speeds up the manifestation process. True or true? You know that energy attracts. It's called the law of attraction, and it's called a law for a reason. So when you're in a grateful state of being, you'll notice that things in your life just appear and more good things begin to happen, just like that. So spiritual money makers master the art of being present and grateful in the now, which is a super conscious ability which allows them to create. So here's a tip. Write down 10 things every single morning that you are grateful for when you wake up. Okay? So now when you put these 4 very powerful secrets into practice, you will be able to effortlessly create wealth and spiritual abundance in your life. Thank you. So what did you learn from this video? What are you going to take away from it? Comment below, let me know. I would love to hear from you and start a conversation. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, these 4 spiritual moneymaker secrets are the foundation which will create success, or the success that you desire in your life. It's getting the mindset of a spiritual millionaire, acting in spite of fear, adopting the attitude of gratitude, and learn from the best. Now, I really appreciate your time, I really appreciate your attention, and I really appreciate your energy and especially your commitment to growing and learning. So remember, click on the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.